Hey, welcome to Paddle and Hike. Today I'm in Acadia National Park and I'll be hiking the Beehive, the Bowl, and Gorham Mountain. Let's go. This trail will be crowded, so I don't know how much I'll be able to talk. There's tons of people here. This trail is not a big one, but I'm sure we'll have beautiful views. There's so many trails here. We'll have to come back because my legs are pooped from the Grafton Loop, so I took only small ones. I can't do more. I can see some people, so we're going up there. Today is still in the 90s and it's very hot and sticky. Lots of rocks, lots of metal hanging ladders. Lots of people. That's a steep ascent. You have to go and go this way. Hold on to bars like this. So there's many point of views like this, with views of Sandy Beach. Another mountain I'll go after. It's just beautiful. So like I said, lots of climbing, lots of elevation, short hike, lots of people, awesome views. So now I'm heading towards the bowl this way. The sun is cooking me alive. The trail is super well maintained, also well marked, easy to follow, except for technical point, because it is a technical hike, but that's pretty much what's fun about this one. Oh, I'm getting a breeze, thank God. Naturally formed by glacial activity, it is a basin carved out by glaciers during the past ice age. This trail has 2 mountains. You have Beehive and Gorham, plus the bowl. Great view of sandy beach with sailboats. So that was a great loop hike in Acadia National Park. Lots to see, climbing, technical part, couple mountains, actually 2. That's fun. So I hope you enjoyed that video, and if you want to see more videos like this, make sure to click on this one. See you soon.